Dear friends, on Friday this week, I'm holding a masterclass dedicated to a structuring of interpretation. Many of you emailed me and asked me what exactly does it mean. So, in a little nutshell, when we learn a piece of music, at which point we start to think what kind of interpretation we want to give to the piece. Do we think about it before we even start learning the notes, or do we start with learning the notes and then after we learn the notes and phrasing and fingering, then we start learning about the piece. So I will be sharing my techniques and little ideas and practical exercises. I'm also inviting all the participants who are going to be performing for us to share their music scores so we can all work together. So because I don't believe in generic approach, I believe in very practical approach. So if you're interested and would like to take part, you can register on our website, which is piano-yoga.com. And the event, again, it's this Friday, 21st of January at 6:30 p.m. UK time. And because it's online, of course, it's open to everyone, and you're very welcome to take part.